Hey friends, who's hungry? Creamy, cheesy, and topped with a golden panko breadcrumb crust, this mashed cauliflower and cheese casserole wins over even the pickiest eaters. Fill a large pot about 1/4 of the way with water and bring it to a boil. Add 1 large head of cauliflower, broken into florets, to a steamer basket and set it over the pot. Cover and reduce the heat to medium. Steam until the cauliflower is very tender, about 20 minutes. Transfer the cauliflower to a large bowl and mash it with a potato masher, ricer, or food mill. Stir in 3/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded Colby-Monterey Jack cheese, 3 tablespoons of cubed unsalted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Montreal steak seasoning or all-purpose seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of chopped thyme leaves, plus salt and pepper to taste. Spread the mixture into a greased 8 by 8 inch casserole dish or a 10-inch cast iron skillet. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, mix 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs with 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter and season with a little salt and pepper. Sprinkle the breadcrumbs evenly over the top of the mashed cauliflower. Bake the casserole uncovered for 40 to 50 minutes until the cheese is melted and the topping is golden brown. Serve it as a side dish for holidays or for weeknight dinners. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.